Good morning, good morning, good morning, beautiful, joyful entrepreneurs. How are you this morning? Happy Thursday. It's Gratitude Day, and today is day 259 of the Be Stubborn series, Never Give Up. Oh my goodness, it's nearly been a year. Tomorrow will be a year. Tomorrow will be the last day of the Be Stubborn series as it is right now, and I'm so grateful for the opportunity to show up, be consistent, be strong, weak, sad, happy, vulnerable in all of my, just in all the states that I've been in. So I'm so grateful for that opportunity. Thank you all so much. And today I'm grateful for change, grateful for new beginnings, grateful for the ability to give up the resistance to change, because my body goes into a tug of war, goes into a war when I've got change going on, which is quite a lot because I'm always growing and learning and evolving, and I'm grateful to really be able to embrace that change. Really went through a big process yesterday morning where I really loved that change and embraced it, and I found my body just settle and just so full of life now and love and excitement. I've got my workshop, 2-hour workshop today. Got a bit dressed up for the guys today. I felt like it. I'm off to Lorne this afternoon with the girlfriends for a weekend away. So life is good. Very grateful, and very grateful for the opportunities that COVID's given to have this laptop lifestyle, and it's taken me a bit to learn how to embrace it. But I'm really starting to embrace it now and love it. So grateful for you all. Have a beautiful day, and we'll see you tomorrow from Lorne for day 260. And just we're sending you so much love, and have a blessed day. Mwah! Bye. And see you all soon at the workshop. Can't wait. Bye.